Hey guys, Barry here with Renovation. Today I want to show you a new kitchen remodel we just completed. You're also going to get to hear from our talented designer, Asel, who did an amazing job working with the clients to create the perfect homey space.
I'm very happy to give a tour to our newly finished project in San Jose area in a very beautiful neighborhood. This kitchen feels like a jewelry box to me because it has so many nice and exciting pieces in it. I really love this beautiful range from Lacquer Neo. There were some colors that could complement the cabinets, and we tried on the renderings, different options, and at the end we decided to stay with a stainless steel with some brass elements. And then we added that Ventafoot to pair it with this beautiful range. Ventafoot is one of my favorite brands for the hoods. It gives so much flexibility for the design with all the finishes and the shapes and like a decorative elements that you can add, but it also very functional. It's one of the quietest hoods on the market. The other beautiful piece that I'm a big fan of is this backsplash that we did with the fire clay tiles. It's a hand-painted ceramic, complementing the color of the cabinets, creating this little nice beautiful accent here. Let's take a closer look to some of the other details in this area. This farmhouse sink paired with the Newport brass fixtures in that very nice classical design, and the finish that we chose is on lacquered brass that already is building some unique patina to it. We have nice beautiful stone on the island. We wanted stone to be unique, so we found this really unique and beautiful piece of dolomite that has a nice texture, very wavy, very distinct, but not very contrasting.
We moved around a few windows and doors. We put in a new door over here, and also over here on this side by the dining table. This area used to be a window. We opened it up into a new French door, so now you could actually have more access to the front, and we put in a new landing to match the existing brick. During construction, we shimmed out, we leveled out all of our exterior walls, the floor for beautiful tile to be set level, also with our new heating system, of course, and as well as the ceiling. We shimmed out all of our ceiling joists to create a more level surface. We're going to see level 5 smooth texture. We want a nice flat ceilings, also so your cabinets can sit nice and level. And when you're doing a backsplash where you have really small subway tiles, it's extremely important that the back of your wall is going to be perfectly level, flat, so your tile come out beautiful.
When I mentioned the jewelry box, it wasn't just about the kitchen. It's also about this newly added powder room. I think it has so much character and so much expression in it.
Thank you guys for tuning in to learn about this new kitchen remodel. If you are looking to get your kitchen remodeled, you know who to call.